Zucchini Caprese sliders. These are beautiful and scrumptious and fresh and flavorful, and they happen to be very low carb, so that's a bonus. I just grilled a bunch of zucchini slices. I brushed them with a little olive oil and sprinkled them with salt and pepper. They're so pretty, and I took them off the grill before they got too flimsy and mushy. Now I'm gonna make a delicious dressing that goes in the sliders, and it starts with about a cup of mayonnaise, give or take, and a few tablespoons of jarred pesto. The mixture of pesto and mayo is pretty much my favorite condiment. I use it all the time. I'm gonna stir it a little bit, and then I'll splash in some red wine vinegar just to give it a little bit of a tang. And I'll stir it until it's combined. This kind of light party food is one of my favorite categories of food in general. If I didn't have two football-playing teenagers and a busy cattle rancher at home, I would eat like this all the time. Okay, that looks fantastic. Now I'm gonna grab a couple of slices of the zucchini, and I'll start building these things. I've got a big block of mozzarella, and I'll cut a slice, and then I'll cut the slice in half, and then I need a slice of tomato. These are great because you can make 2 or 3 sliders, or you can make a big old platter full depending on how many people you need to feed. Okay, to put them together, I'll just grab a spoonful of the pesto mayo. And I don't like to be shy with this stuff. I really want to taste it. The mozzarella and tomato and zucchini are delicious, but they're really mild. So this dressing just makes them so flavorful. And then I'll take one of the half slices of mozzarella and a slice of tomato. And if a little bit of that pesto mayo runs over the side, that's a good thing because it means it's going to be delicious. Now I have a pile of beautiful basil leaves, so I'll put a whole leaf right on top of the tomato. And then a little bit more of the pesto mayo on the top slice of zucchini. And put that upside down. Look at that. I want the sliders to stay together on my trip to town, so I'll stick in a toothpick to hold it together. So pretty. I'll finish the sliders with a drizzle of balsamic glaze and a sprinkling of basil leaves.